I can't sleep. I can't remember the last time I slept straight through the night, and I can't remember the last time I woke up feeling truly refreshed. I've tried many methods to help me fall asleep and stay asleep, but I haven't yet found success, and I know I'm not the only one with this problem. Humans spend approximately a third of their life sleeping, yet everyone wants to sleep less and do more. But for me, I just want to sleep a little more. Maybe it's stress, maybe it's my genes, maybe it's some small thing I haven't figured out yet, but waking up tired every day is more exhausting than just being exhausted. With this channel, I hope to provide insight into the methods I have tried to help me relax and sleep, and my thoughts on how it helped or didn't, and maybe this will help you. We all need support, and as a community, we can help each other. So please, like, subscribe, and join a community of people who are on a journey to a better, more restful night's sleep.